Here's how to install n8n for free in under 5 minutes. So all we have to do is just go over to CODEX ChatGPT. As you can see, CODEX right now is being installed. After CODEX, all you're going to be doing is you're going to be navigating to create project. Here inside the ChatGPT section, you're going to navigate to new, and you're going to navigate to folder, and then you're going to create a folder. Inside the folder, make sure you rename it to n8n, just like that, and then boom, this thing is called CODEX. All you have to do is download it, but here we're going to create a project called n8n, and now we have our own specific folder on our PC. Go over to settings. Here you're going to go ahead and navigate to API sections. You're going to enable full access of the permissions for ChatGPT to access your system. You're going to navigate to ask for personal approval. You're going to allow access to your entire PC. You're going to install Docker, found on Google. Click get started, and then you're going to log into your account, or just create an account for free. Once then you create an account, click on download. You're going to pick your system. For me, it's Windows. And then you're going to click on Docker, desktop, Windows for just like the first option. Once you download everything, go ahead, start importing Docker desktop installer. You're going to open it. Once you open it, you guys are going to navigate to Cloudflare login. From the Cloudflare login dashboard, you're going to manage your account. Inside here, you're going to click on Google, and then you can click on overview. Now, you have to purchase a domain. The cheapest is $5. That's what I did for mypelmetics.org. Click buy domain. In here, you're just going to type in your domain name. But for us, I already purchased it, so all we have to do is just click on it. You're going to navigate to account API tokens. And then you're going to click create token. Once you create token, you're going to have to type in entire account. You're going to select all the permissions here. So as you can see, this is how the navigation bar looks like. Make sure you guys select all permissions for your entire account, and then you're going to manage to click and write. Create token. Next, you're going to copy this entire token, and you're going to save it onto your Notes app. So go ahead, copy all the tokens that they've given you. You're going to click confirm, and make sure you copy it. So Control Shift or Control C on your keyboard and paste that in your Notes app. Next, we're going to create another token. This is for the all app, for all domains. Okay, we're going to be using all of our domains that you purchase from your account. Click on all sources. You're going to click on all domains at the very top. It's already set. And from read only, you're going to switch to write as well. But first, you're going to change the token name to all domains. Great. For the read token, read and write. Perfect. You're going to create this token with no expiration date. You're going to create token. And then you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to copy everything listed here. Control C. And confirm. And then you're going to go back to your Notes app, and you're going to paste that in. Perfect. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be navigating to our ChatGPT. We're going to paste in this prompt. Now, if you want this prompt, it's found in my Google community node. All you have to do is just click the down below link of my YouTube channel, and you're going to access it. We're going to set the sol high at the very most. And here's the prompt. This is the import OS prompt found in my school group down below. Just join for free, okay? Next, after you paste that in, we're going to go ahead, create extra spaces, and then we're gonna put in our prompt. So we're gonna put in our account ID prompt, just like that. Put in your account ID prompt. So we have three things, okay? We have our main prompt that we put in, and then we have our import OS prompt, which is so big, and then we're gonna use our API prompt. But first, we're gonna mention that we're gonna be using pelmetics.org, okay? So you're going to go ahead. If you already have a DNS record, delete it. I have it just because of my history, but I deleted it, just like as you see here. Now, before you paste in your API tokens, you're going to need to mention that you're going to be creating a subdomain for this prompt. Okay, subdomain you need to create is from my is, and then you're gonna type in n8n dot, and then you're gonna type in the domain that you bought. Now, and then you paste in your API token, and then everything is set for you. Perfect. So you basically pasted in 3 prompts. Your main prompt telling you to build, then the import OS prompt of how it should be structured, and then your API token prompt. And now all you have to wait for your thing to finish loading. As you can see, we've created our own n8n within a span of 6 minutes. And now it could be accessed from your Docker, from your Windows for free. That's how it looks like. And now to check this works, let me show you. So inside the domain, we're also going to type, this is just a test, but confirm you know how to update n8n to the latest. So this prompt ensures that your n8n prompt, that your n8n is updated to the latest version. And how do we know it's the latest version? As you can see, my n8n works right here. As you can see, I typed in hi and it works. Also, let's type in our HTTP connection as well. So with our click execute node, we're gonna type in HTTP prompt, HTTP request. Inside here, you're gonna type in HTTP www.example.com or just example.com. As you can see, our execution worked. If you want to build your own n8n workflows, go ahead, join my school group down below, and we're gonna start building n8n completely from scratch. And you can use this to scale your business or to sell AI smart websites. That's exactly what my school community is called. It's called Close Local Leads, and that's exactly what you'll be doing once you join.